What constitutes the good life exactly? Most people think it's comfort, peace, relaxation. I think it's shining your light for Jesus and putting in the hard work to acquire the discipline necessary to be obedient to the will of God. Because at the end of the day, you know, the devil, he can't make hell a beautiful place. He just cannot. That is not the nature of it. That's not his nature. That's not how it is. That's not how it works. So what does he do? He gives us many paths to hell that look beautiful. Things that destroy us that look like they're so enticing, so wonderful. Shining your light for Jesus necessitates trust, faith, and discipline. And taking action. You know, God didn't save us for comfort. The road to heaven looks something like this. Discipline infused with peace, leading to real freedom. Trust isn't passive. Faith is not inactive. You know, God saved you for more than comfort, and he made us to shine the light. God bless you today. Amen.